Okay.
I first of all thank you all of you for coming here and welcoming me. I'm really grateful. If you have any questions, I would really like to answer it.
Tell us about your transformation from a student to be Femina Miss India World.
I think I would really like to say that I've been a student of life ever since when it comes to education. I had a bachelor's degree in accounts and finance, and then I started dancing, and I learned creativity out of it. And then when it came to marketing, I learned what productization is. So I have always been a student of life, and I'm still learning. And Femina Miss India has been a great journey that has taught me what confidence is, what curiosity is, and I've been really grateful. Thank you so much.
Tell us about your connect to the coastal city.
I have my parents born here in the land of Udupi, and I always used to visit here during my summer vacations. My grandmother stays here, who I really love, and I'm really excited to meet her now that I'm here.
Okay, anything memorable you would like to share about this place in particular?
So I have my grandmother's house in Punchur, and I still remember that we all cousins used to get together during our summer vacations. Some of them are right here, and we used to spend like weeks and weeks together, and something that memory has always been stuck to me.
Did you ever feel that you would take this path to be one of India's top models?
I actually never thought of it. If you would have asked me 5 years ago, I would have been working in a financial firm as a financial accountant probably. But I believe that life comes with opportunities and universe is limitless. So it's basically how you grab it and what destiny is for you.
Will we get to see you as a financial analyst?
Yes, I am. As soon as I get done with all my preparations, I am giving my CFA level 1.
And any plans? Are you eyeing the Bollywood?
If a good opportunity comes my way, then why not? But right now I'm just focusing on my Miss World.
How are the preparations on?
It's great, it's going great. I'm giving my heart and soul for it, and I have a talented panelists. So basically I'm trusting them, like India always has that route where you trust your guru.
Do you have any of the models or idols from the coastal town? Because this town has given a lot of...
I think I remember I went for a Bansanga association program, and there was Aishwarya Rai looking very vibrant and radiant, and probably when I was like 5 years old I would have thought that I would become her, and I'm really grateful that I'm standing here as Femina Miss India World 2022.
Was that when she won the Miss World?
Yeah, no, it was later, very much later, but you always see your idols on stage walking the ramp, you always reclip all the videos, so that's been my inspiration.
And your particular role model?
I think it'll be more of my parents, because I've seen them transform from a simple basic to something that they have been today, and I've always learnt values from them. They belong to the hospitality industry, so I've learned generosity, humility, everything from them. So I really adore them and I look up to them. Thank you so much.